Welcome to a world of opportunities, where the internet is not just about socializing or entertainment, but a platform where you can earn a substantial income. In today's digital era, the opportunity to make money online is not just an illusion, but a reality, especially for students and those who are jobless. The internet offers a myriad of money-making possibilities that come with the perks of flexibility and convenience. First up, we have freelancing. It's the act of selling your skills on a project basis. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer diverse work, from writing to programming. Next, there is the option of online surveys and market research. Companies are willing to pay for your opinions and data. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research are among the reputable sites where you can earn by simply filling out surveys. Ever heard of a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant provides administrative services from a remote location. If you have strong communication and organization skills, platforms like Indeed, Remote.co, and FlexJobs are great places to find virtual assistant jobs. Content creation is another avenue. With the popularity of platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, creating and sharing your unique content can garner a following that can be monetized. For those who excel academically, online tutoring is a great option. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, Tutor.com, and Via Pikid are looking for online tutors in a wide array of subjects. Next up is affiliate marketing. By promoting products and earning a commission on each sale, platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale can be quite profitable. E-commerce is another avenue to explore. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and eBay make it easy to set up an online store and reach customers around the globe. For the photographers out there, selling your photos online can be a lucrative venture. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Alamy are great places to sell your high-quality photos. Writing enthusiasts can consider online writing. Whether it's articles, blog posts, or ebooks, platforms like Medium, HubPages, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing offer opportunities for writers to earn. Lastly, creating online courses and workshops is a booming industry. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable allow you to share your knowledge and skills and earn from it. In summary, the digital world is rich with opportunities for earning an income. From freelancing to creating online courses, there are numerous ways to make money online. Remember, perseverance and continuous learning are key in this ever-evolving landscape. So harness your skills, find your niche, and start your online money-making journey today.